minus b. X plus y plus z into x plus y minus z. That is the answer. See, this template is a formulae for squares and cubes which are regularly used. So you can follow this, pause this video and study these. Okay. Next, factors of x raised to 4 minus x minus z the whole raised to 4 are. So let's solve x raised to 4 minus x minus z the whole square. First convert it to squares. X square the whole square minus x minus z the whole square. Right? So solve this. A square minus b square equals to a plus b into a minus b. So this becomes what? X square plus x minus z the whole square into x square minus x minus z the whole square. Solve each bracket separately. Therefore, x square plus x square minus 2xz plus z square, a minus b the whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Similarly here, x square minus, now bracket, x square minus 2xz plus z square and bracket close. Now solve this inner bracket. So 2x square, first this square bracket, 2x square minus 2xz plus z square, this square bracket over, now this one, second. So x square minus x square plus 2xz minus z square. X square gets cancelled. So what remains? 2x square plus 2xz plus 2x square minus 2xz plus z square into 2xz minus z square. Now take z common from this, so it becomes 2x plus z into z. So these are the required factors. The factors of root 3x square plus 11x plus 6 root 3 are. So here it's the similar one as we have solved in our earlier video 96. So what you have to do is first number and the last number means constant. So the multiplication of these two and the middle numbers factors, the numbers should be same, means root 3 into 6 root 3, the answer which comes. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yogaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.